Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make cookies easy. Start by preheating your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit or 190 degrees Celsius. Next, gather all your ingredients and equipment like mixing bowls and a whisk to ensure a smooth baking process. Using room temperature butter and eggs is crucial for a well-combined, smooth dough, preventing lumps and ensuring even baking. Lining your baking sheets with parchment paper will make cleanup a breeze and prevent sticking. First, cream together 1 cup of softened butter with 3/4 cup of granulated sugar and 1/4 cup of brown sugar until the mixture is light and fluffy. This step incorporates air, making your cookies tender. Then, beat in 2 large eggs, one at a time, ensuring each is fully incorporated before adding the next. Finally, gradually add your dry ingredients, mixing only until just combined to avoid overworking the dough. Now it's time to bake. Use a cookie scoop to create uniform dough balls, about 1.5 inches in diameter, ensuring all your cookies bake evenly. Place them 2 inches apart on your prepared baking sheets. Bake for 8 to 12 minutes, or until the edges are lightly golden brown and the centers are just set. Let them cool on the baking sheet for 5 minutes before transferring to a wire rack to cool completely. Once your delicious cookies are completely cooled, store them in an airtight container at room temperature to maintain their freshness. For extra soft cookies, you can even add a slice of plain bread to the container. It helps absorb moisture and keeps them chewy. Your homemade treats will be best enjoyed within 3 to 5 days. Share them with friends and family, or savor them all yourself.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.